There's a moment in your 40s when money starts to feel different. You're earning more than you ever have, more stability, more control, and yet, somehow, it still doesn't feel like progress. You look around, and everything looks successful. The house, the car, the lifestyle. But beneath it, there's a quiet question. Why don't I feel ahead? Because here's the truth most people don't realize. You can earn a high income and still build nothing. Meet David. He's 42. He makes $150,000 a year. Nice house, good job, looks successful, but he's broke. Not low on cash broke, actually broke. Every dollar he earns disappears. And he thinks it's too late to fix it. David is stuck in a trap, the high income trap, where you earn more than ever, but build nothing. He hears about investing, compounding, retirement, and he thinks, I missed my chance. I should have started earlier. But here's the truth. Your 40s don't end the game. They decide it. David doesn't have an income problem. He has a leak problem. Picture a bucket. Money flows in, but it leaks out just as fast through things he barely notices. Lifestyle upgrades, convenience spending, subscriptions, status purchases. The more he earns, the faster it leaks. And if nothing changes, his best years won't build his wealth. There are 3 traps, and they hit hardest in your 40s. First, the forever home trap. It looks like an asset, but drains cash every month. Taxes, repairs, maintenance. His money is stuck instead of growing. Second, the logo trap. Nice watch, better car, branded everything. He's not buying things, he's buying proof that he made it. Third, the safe money trap. Savings accounts, low returns, feels safe, but slowly loses value. Here's what changes everything. He doesn't need more time, he needs more intensity. Because your 40s are your peak earning years, and wealth is built fast in the final stretch. This is not catching up, this is compressing time. Let's simplify it. Small investing won't move the needle, but intentional investing changes everything. If he invests $3,000 to $5,000 a month and stays consistent, over 15 to 20 years, that's not small money. That's $1 million outcome. If you're in your 40s, you need a new playbook. Rule 1. Hit your first $20,000 invested. That's your momentum point. Rule 2. Build a bridge account. Use your 401k, but don't stop there. You need flexibility. Rule 3. Cut fake rich spending. Stop buying for approval. Start buying freedom. Rule 4. Increase your income. This is your biggest lever. Real wealth is invisible. It's not your car. It's not your house. It's not your lifestyle. It's control. Control over your time, your decisions, your life. If you're in your 40s, you're not behind. You're just out of excuses. Most people waste this decade trying to look rich. You can use it to become free. The best time to start was 20 years ago. The second best time is now. Subscribe for more simple, no-nonsense breakdowns on money, because the goal isn't just to earn more, it's to build something that lasts.